Feeling. En bika feeling, na lik pa ko Snapchat lik products. You see? Sukama no day. They no day. Go ahead. Seek the Lord while he may be found. While he may be found. Call ye upon him while he is near. Go ahead. Seek the Lord while he may be found. Call ye upon him while he is near. While he is near. See? Di berada dami no reason sila ng amoro. Isabito. Ano mi wan yera ma amoro hiwa matak via you. Via uno na ngayon. Isabito mi ma'am.
Anak ko di kaya mami sa tax kile ko de. Sider di matele family mi es do me mi. Besa bi bata. Since di me ko me do tak. Bo mi to asan de frente.
And ala
mi no besa tak na
this Isabito.
Mi no besa tak.
And na le fogeta kita ube pegito. Ube pegi on that night te wetits. Which we fin maningri isa pato yung nga manja ko on that amoro hiwang din nga maningri and may isa ka pala na umasma eko kasi amoro hiwang din nga umasma emotional wabi teach you like mang da you go teach you from isi uno man teach ma ka dai de well ma uno man gide den o te ke eras da umasma isan ek moto pa wasi di professor mana nga men uman din and ubegi dia utu tak isa pato maningri ko ina man din nga di uno na king mana uno luko ulit king to nagi mga servants upon horses na nga disan natin. Uno na king na uno bem dahi. You see? Magpe ude uno de. We struggle. Ala presipe yo gusto ka ba drive to. Inogo siguro ko na ba drive to. Dayo mituan ningri of wa ingi supervisor. Ate tong aya panisi of wa wetmang of wa kuli. Na slaver na itape. Ala de umas mafu ali brada. Ala de umas mafu dog. The first time go de lasi. Una de frau fumoro. Na unu de silek enemy no. Da de go de nga wetmang. Bisi te de go France de ne da nga de blaka boy de wa da nga wetmang so kan go Holland of Paris u ka pen papira. Unu de yo is de kosi. Unu tron de enemy. You see? Go ahead. Unu na king fa udeja.
Ecclesiastes chapter 10 verse 7. I have seen serpents upon horses.
This na King Salomo, read that again.
I have seen serpents upon horses.
And amoro, jaso Salomo tak ama si slavo top tap asi e waka. You see, met andro ama si the tradition dem de unu slav. And ama si tak de masa dem de unu slav de in rulership. The horses na he yes don't tap rulership ama si dema. And go ahead.
And princes walking as serpents upon the earth.
And princess like Rommel e waka. Uno na king na nga princess maluko astatin sa ude. Uno di na keto. Uno di busi. Na uno e fight against usrefi. Ma uno na king. You see? King Salomo tak Mrs. Servants upon horses. Na nga king na nga princess e waka long low ko wo. You see? Mana fluke. You see?
Hij wou een vraag jullie kunnen gewoon stellen.
Sorry info. Stak asan de kun pana pot boken. Nga de fluke. You see? Alasan sa ipsa inalibi na amoro hiwa film deja. And in a Bible, ala kolot e abeng karakter sa play. The wetmang e play a bad guy. Na de may play a devil. Uno na a good guy. Ma in a film, alta a good guy, the bad guy e pina good guy. And up at last, a good guy e go over take a bad guy. Na so opsa. Tad na alasan sa opsa. You see, ma ade in a Bible, ma alasan sa relokida may taka Bible, may teach na de fasi. Ma a Bible up one true no mo. You see, and amoro hiwa taka unlock din. Or si secret po a Bible, gide moron, gide yung wang. Sa you, o understand na nga sa you no denki. Wat pambede jamino, bedeng takti din na di mi boss na po. Mikig na da percha hirdiet guys mo po asite mi gimi ay na di mi boss po Gmail. Sa patajo posto mi wagi re nga ni standard. Mino bede mino dama denki pasa na amoro hiwa taka kisa gide moron de wan sa you no denki. Ko ina true disi. Who represent into God. In the book of Luke chapter 10 verse 21. And in that hour Yahweh rejoiced in spirit and said, I thank thee, O Father, Lord of heaven and earth, that thou hast hid these things from the wise and the prudent. Read that again from the top. Luke chapter 10 verse 21. This is awan sa kari Jesus. And true na Yahweh etaki. Arki sama taki. And in that hour Yahweh rejoiced in spirit. She amoro awan sa kari Jesus in na Yahweh ama breathe in a spirit. She go ahead and said, I thank thee, O Father. She ama give thanks sa patak Father me gi grant tangi. Fusang arki fusay. I thank thee, O Father, Lord of heaven and earth. Lord of heaven nga earth.
that thou hast hid these things
Tak father you kibri den san dissident to atru disi nanga den secret in a Bible gisuma
from the wise
from
and
the
prudent,
wise nanga den prudent suma na de wise nanga de prudent fagron tapu de man nanga yasendas university de entrepreneurs engineer nanga de professor de man is not about true that de man about wisdom for a world fa ikame ko te wan waji boro ko fa meke te wan brom ko fa potaketi a wisdom that de man abi ma this amoro hi wanta kibri adis gide wanda bi and sa adu
and has revealed them
and
unto
unlocking
babes.
and unlocking give them babies and babies but they got young one a young boy see
Even so, Father, for so it seemed good in thy
you
sight.
see even so further it seemed good at the boom under a amoro he one you see go ahead man.
This is the book of Deuteronomy, chapter 28, verse 1.
and this is mo halwa voorbeeld aan voor you taki te you op een bedrijf like fay di jabigi wan donc you op een bedrijf op een bedrijf dat je te recommand direct dat kaya bedrijf ba euro koma ukoroko nee you stong en dan you make one reglement tak van okay mi bedrijf na if woman kon release lapi on slap if you do this you kiss 3 warning pap 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 a camera dat no mak bo ini so ino mak tu pap 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 so opsa dan fo shockar recommand ko en te recommand ko sayo do you give them a reglement tak if this na article ko abo bedrijf you no worry sta vast na disi na probleem en amoro hiwang abe ko kusa follow dat na anisyon po Israel en ama kisa gi en follow ama gi de weather nga status so tak yere jamo bu weather arki go
This is the book of Deuteronomy, chapter 28, verse 1. And it shall come to pass, if thou shalt hearken diligently unto the voice of the Lord thy power, to observe and to do all his commandments, which I command thee this day, that the Lord thy power will set thee on high above all nations of the earth.
you see amoro hiwang tegi anisyon po Israel taki if you arki na the weather ni samo gi di day dok mo poti na look to ala nation you see go ahead esa tegi aki ena ategi de abu sa opsa nga di if de arki ma ategi de up to if uno arki sa opsa you see go ahead baby
Verse 15. But it shall come to pass, if thou wilt not hearken unto the voice of the Lord thy power,
see au kom to pass met ano at kat pobero if ino arki go ahead
unto the voice of the Lord thy power, to observe to do all his
see
commandments
tu ala de sa de weather sa arki de go ahead
and his statutes which I command thee this day,
go ahead
that all these curses shall come upon thee and overtake thee.
sana curse fluk atak if uno arki da ala de fluk sa mo tak no jaso ko na yutapo you see and what they want to fluk to pusor you tap suma de fluk that they pass you see go ahead
Verse
so
20.
dor de fluk ko yesi tag na dis na animation pu amoro hiwa you see go ahead
Verse 28. The Lord shall smite thee with madness,
amoro hiwa tak mo smite uno na nga madness met andoro da u edesine rokobu and te yulu ko jaso insera nang dok tak tok percent pu de swear for shot follow me okay da ya want to suma mo yesi moro bikisi
majority na ni
a murder hate na ningre si buskonre si you want traflo
Deuteronomy chapter 28, verse 54. So that the man that is tender among you and very delicate, his eye shall be evil toward his brother,
si attack ya so ina group that the you brother sa muslibi in lobby na nga you to a fluke of the tak mo pot evil in the eye na mo ki one four will agree if you the in one dance if you don't want praise you don't want wait mang if one trafolok sa ina man trapi sayo do yo te mata okay bro ya problem no bro ano de sorry ay okay I accepting ma make one black ka brother look just refit trap you sayo do mang ya kiswiti
Yaman.
and now a fluke you see now a fluke ano desa nepsa ko na amoro hiwa fluke amata wars ko uno takipuno arki mo pode fluke dat na kutaku isi entide di yesi tag de fluke dat ko in working blaka no look blaka the igi follow no look the igi follow you see go ahead
verse 64. And the Lord shall scatter thee among all
is now after
people,
fluke too go ahead is it again
and the Lord shall scatter thee among all
amoro
people,
hiwa tak one after fluke samo do uku na mo puro fu kondre Israel and mo panyaw tapa here grown tapo you see go ahead
from the one end of the earth even unto the other, and there thou shalt serve other gods.
Pura may takoy. Read it again.
from the one end of the
Awan
earth
de einde fu agro tap komita trawang. Go ahead.
even unto the other,
Go ahead.
and there
And pe amoro hiwa takaw panya unugo. Sawa du dape.
and there thou shalt serve other gods.
And dape yo ambegi tragado. This na amin gado sa anisyo fu Israel ambegi. Denengre na nga de ingi. Di aksine sumaja es Jesus. Mana wet man. Pura orsi image dama pot image. Omdat na may rula word. Isi amano rula word like wet madamo aba orsi image fu awaso we kar Jesus. Amano lo baki kwa de mano lo black man. Isi amako na mapot in. Isi godoro.
Which neither thou nor thy fathers have known,
No.
even wood and stone.
Even wood and stone. Met andere woorden, udu, yo ambegi udu. Wo ambegi sansa den fu unu for father no ambegi. Want den be on be worship a true power a pisendal. Isi ende do be karana Yehovah na nga Jesus. De true neng fu amoro hiwa na boy na ya awo dat na wansa we kar kado ening en na wansa we kar Jesus en na ya awo shai. Isi? Verse 68. I was sorry fa amoro hiwang panya anisha fu Israel tapahir gono tap. Go ahead.
Verse 68. And the Lord shall bring thee into Egypt again,
En amoro hiwa abe puro Egypt ba tabe sen musos go isa fato puro isla ferne ma jaso amoro hiwa ta en mo semi go baka in Egypt. Go ahead.
and the Lord shall bring thee into Egypt again with ships.
Read it again.
And the Lord shall bring thee into Egypt again with ships.
With ships amoro hiwa ta mo charo go in Egypt baka nanga boto samatag dati slavernij. En sumabe go in slavernij, den ningre nanga de ingi. Eerst den ingi go, dan den ningre go. En amoro hiwa tak mo charu go baka in Egypto, ano a orsi, ano a eerst wa. A modern Egypto da, sorry sana Egypto. Go ahead. Revelation. Spiritual.
By the way whereof I spake unto thee, thou shalt see it no more again, and there ye shall be sold unto your enemies for bondmen and bondwomen.
Read it again.
No man shall buy you.
Read it again.
And the Lord shall bring thee into Egypt again with ships. By the way whereof I spake unto thee, thou shalt see it no more again.
Uno siya kontre fumoro Israel. Is she go ahead?
And there ye shall be sold unto your enemies.
Enemies. Anisha po Israel ab enemy. Met andro da amoro hiwa no lok ala folok. You see, if amoro hiwa no lok ala folok, amano bo seru bo u enemy. You see? Go ahead.
For bondmen
Bondmen, slaven, go ahead.
and bondwomen.
Bondwoman, slavennen, go ahead.
And no man shall buy you.
No man shall buy you met andro do, no man save you. Martin Luther King kong a save ding. I have a dream. Next no kober. King Selassie ay kosukan am desadu. Next. Malcolm X ko sa dedu. Next. Marcos Garvey. Next. A ina ko masa ko puro ita slavery sa ubiga na wansa we kar Jesus inina Yahweh shai. See? Go ahead. What do you focus on Go ahead. And Egypt sambe te go ahead. Usori sana Egypt.
Revelation 11 verse 8. And their dead bodies shall lie in the streets of the
And their
great
dead
city.
bodies shall lie in the great city. Sot city. Ano letter like dead body. Dead body that what he can spiritual dead. You see? Inosapsa ipsa itede ina knowledge. You see? Go ahead.
Which spiritual is
Read
gone.
it again from the top.
And the dead bodies shall lie in the streets of the great city.
And shall lie in the streets of the great city. Sot city na great city pagronta. Okay, da. See? American. See? Go ahead.
Which spiritually
With spiritual, the great city sa American. With spiritually, go ahead.
is called Sodom and
It's called
Egypt.
Sodom. Sodom de may kar American. To say de, sot praktika naman before in Sodom and Gomorrah. Homosexuality. And sa de may do in American, homosexuality director de may same-sex marriage. Isi na rin de may karama, spiritual Sodom. Isi na nga,
Egypt.
and Egypt. Omdat ala din the ways for Egypt, reincarnate kung baka in America. You see? Ay, mga frag.
Semua nanti itu semua saya beli nak pun. Kami era anak Adam nak itu beri itu semua.
No.
Mawara almes.
Ay, oy.
Siapa pun aku alma.
Ay, go. Give me the message. No, read one.
The book of Genesis chapter 1 verse 1.
Yeah.
In the beginning, God created the heaven and the earth.
In the beginning, God created the heaven and the earth. And God, in a context, you see, in Hebrew, ay betekent Alahayam. En Alahayam na meervoud. Dus dat wat ano amoro hiwan doing. Amoro hiwan gi opdracht na empoy awan sa wekarizes in na Yahweh Shai nanga the angels. Dus amoro hiwan no do next lang yung ano na awan sa wekarizes nanga the angels make alasani. Selfs libisma. See?
God, as God, ja, if you go in Hebrews, it's meervoud.
It's meervoud, Alahayam. And Alahayam betekent divine ones, angels. See? Judges, vectors. See?
Genesis chapter 1 verse 21. And the powers created wills, and God created
And
wills.
God, na the angels. Eta. See?
And God created wills and every living creature.
And every living creature. One arki. One dagu ano one living creature. One leo ano one living creature. One fisi ano one living creature. Libisma ano one living creature. Gimeng.
This is the book of 2nd Esdras chapter 8 verse 8.
A precept for you. Go ahead.
For when the body is vanished now in the mother's womb, and thou givest it members, thy creature
Thy creature, they apchimbige form in a mother baarmoeder. You see? Thy creature, ay sorry but ang apchino ang creature is ang creatie. You see, go ahead.
is preserved in fire and water, and 9 months
In 9 months, you see,
doth thy workmanship endure thy creature which is created in her.
you see, a creature sa created in her. Yes, sorry you ook to in Genesis. Go back na Genesis.
Genesis chapter 1 verse 21. And God created great whales and every living
And
creature
every
that
living
moveth.
creature that moveth, met andere woorden, libisma bete ini ook toe. Dus the angels na nga wasa wekarises, make ala kadirta aso na nga mung alasani na nga den tranation. Ala de ma make the one that fossi. And apen bede dat, they make them fossi, fu ben de slavo, gide volkelinge fu Adam. Maar die Adam Eva zonde, de vader put a nation of the volgeling of Adam onder de nation. Dan nu je volk zei dat, met die de goede in asal. Go ahead. Read it. 26, 126. Im arkibong, like pa may tati ay. Nagkaduwa mek alasan, madyaso im arkibong a context one word talk in a scripture. E veranderen hier scripture. She go ahead.
Genesis chapter 1 verse 26. And God said, let us make men.
Listen, druk het op ons.
Genesis chapter 1 verse 26. And God said,
Let us
make men.
and if naggawa make alasan,
Image.
das ini make gado itak let us. Ta amo ama din nga moros madapeto. Es mer fausto. This a scripture is esoryo tag na the powers, the angels di na make alasan moy na nga ala de trafolok moy na de mas do na de maluko ta i alasan perfect moy. Okay, das Erika sa dawo make one favoritisma follow bu uno srepi sa egers uno na nga sang o de special leg uno. You see? Nasang sa ko eh?
And God said, let us make men in our image.
In our image and amoro hiwang a look for ing dok na wan dingere a Bible beskryf amoro hiwang like wan plakamang and a beskryf po awan sa wekarizes na porsus sa may sidoro. You see? Go ahead.
Let us make men in our image.
Our image in a forum fale for the engelen dit want the engel schrijft skin plaka. Go ahead.
After our likeness.
After our likeness. Go ahead.
And let them have dominion over the fish of the sea, cover the fowl of the earth, and over the cattle, and over all the earth, and over every creeping thing that creepeth upon the earth.
Read it again.
And God said, let us make men in our image, after our likeness, and let them have dominion over
And
the fish,
make them abdominant. Go ahead. Abra dem fisi.
over the fish of the sea, and over the fowl of the earth,
Over abra dem fouru. Go ahead.
and over the cattle, and over all the earth, and over every creeping thing that creepeth
Arki.
upon the
And
earth.
ama make a follow that fu up makti tap ala gedeelte na tapahir grond tapu. En if de mao op makti tapahir grond tapu, wil ook zeggen dat de mao op makti abra de tradition. Want de trafolok te ina grond tapu. You see, simple, maar if ina ba spirit, you know man break it down. You see? You see na de make de, you see dat? Go ahead. You see? Dus na ejak ba? Zie, is ejak ba?
Je weet maar voor dan gaat dingen door.
Ja, dat in de angels eye.
This is Proverbs chapter 8, verse 22. The Lord possessed me in the beginning of his way before his work of old.
This na? Yahweh. Read it again.
The Lord possessed me in the beginning of his way before his works of old.
Zie, amoro hiwang a eerste engel sa amiki na emboy. En die ameki emboy awan sa Jesus. Da agi awan sa Jesus. Emboy opdracht, emboy make the angels know. Da awan sa Jesus make the engelen. Da enanga de engelen make a song, a grondtapu, de sterren, a firmament, se alasan de mamiki. Zie? Go ahead.
Luke chapter 1, verse 70. As he spake by the mouth of his holy prophets, which have been since the world began.
Go ahead, read that again.
Luke chapter 1, verse 7. As he spake by the mouth of his holy prophets, which have been since the world began.
Since the world began, attack via the holy prophet, since agro tapu begin. Andoro do, the angels sa amiki, dok, de manat na de profeta tapagro tapu ti day. You see? 144,000 kime ifo, Revelation 7. De man say do aroko. You see? De man say prophet na de profeta. De man di si, Lord wele uno na waf de manat, na unu bede sama na nga emboy, emek alasan. Na nga de tradition unto. Isa bito? Ade man ati wan about true wisdom sa we teach you that. You see? Go ahead.
Apa as per mo boy?
Ay wat ikuli sa disi ifagi.
Ako arkalis.
Alright, go ahead.
Revelation chapter 7, verse 4.
Let's read.
Verse 3. Saying, heard not the earth. Saying, heard not the earth, neither the sea, nor the streets, till we have sealed the surface of our power in their foreheads.
Andro do a engel di si for engel we lezen vanaf het begin. Nou, lezen vanaf het begin.
Verse 1.
Lees vers 1.
Revelation chapter 7, verse 1. And after these things I saw 4 angels standing on the four
Dis na
corners of the earth.
Johannes. Dis na Johannes si a vision. En as si for engel snapu na ala den fo ukufa gron tapu. You see, go ahead.
Holding the 4 winds of the earth.
You see, e hoor de fo winti. En a winti, ano letterlijk a winti. A winti dat it represent a destruction pa gron tapu sa ekon. You see, nunu de fo engel de may hoor a destruction. Maar a destruction sa de engel e hoor na pa kafu ano kobeer ta pa gron tapu nang warida. Da oude give say dit.
That the wind should not blow on the earth.
You see, tak a winti met andro tak a destruction no kobeer ta pa gron tapu. En a destruction dat na derde wereldoorlog. Then the pedal fit na the nuclear rocket. You see the nuclear weapon. Go ahead.
Nor on the sea, nor on the tree.
Go ahead.
Verse 2. And I saw another angel
And-
ascending from the east,
You see, and Johannes si wan tra engel freak mo to fu a ustan. Go ahead. Sana Yahweh siya yang masawi kari Jesus. Go ahead.
having the seal of the living
You
power.
see, abas sil fu alef empowerment. Andro da true disi. Go ahead.
And he cried with a loud voice to the 4
You
angels,
see, and ay tegi de fu engel sa ehora destruction. Sa ay tegi de
to whom it was given to hurt the earth and the sea,
the one sabi to sa ehora destruction fa guno tapu tak fano ko go ahead.
saying, hurt not the earth,
You see, a engel lagi e tegi de fu engel tak. No. Do next na nga agro tapu ere met andro do no lusa destruction ete. You see, go ahead.
neither the sea nor the trees,
You see.
till we have sealed the surface of our power in their
Then,
foreheads.
Utelek usil de dinar of unu. You see, kasikal de dinar of ding. Top. Go. Risa maka.
Till we have sealed the surface of our power in their
In
foreheads.
their forehead. And a seal that di nanga de face ede represent a knowledge this in you ede. Im apa. Dus so lang de ahonot elect top for a nation for Israel samu save sa obribina through this. Then no kisa through this ede. A destruction no upon the engel no lusa wind. You see, go ahead. And I'm sorry, the engel. I'm sorry, antal. Go ahead.
And I heard the number of them
And
which were
ayere ang
sealed.
number for the one samu seal. Sa de kasikal. Go ahead. Parsikal na nga through this. Go
And
ahead.
they were sealed 144,000
zie
of all the tribes of the children of Israel.
of Israel. Na so yung sigbatak amuro hiwan ni tilang alasma. Telek inalas sa buku openbare ay sorry taktok 144